Hi friends, what's up? This is our iPhone 360 reader. It's time to learn how to send an audio message in Apple's Messages app on iPhone and iPad. In iOS 17, Apple had introduced several new messages features and tweaked the user interface of the Messages app to give it a cleaner look. This means that the way you navigate and perform certain actions in the messaging app has changed quite a bit. Notably, the ability to send an audio message has also changed a bit, but bother not, it remains pretty simple to do so. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, open the Apple Messages app on your iPhone or iPad. Then head over to a conversation thread. Now tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Then choose the audio option in the menu. After that, tap on the audio button and your recording will immediately begin. When you have finished recording, tap on the red stop button. You can listen to the recording by pressing the play button. Next up, tap on the blue arrow to send the audio message, or you can tap on the X on the left to cancel the message, and that's all there is to it. So that's how you can easily send an audio message in the Apple Messages app in iOS 17 or later. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a great time. Bye-bye.